This part of the bulletin is brought to you by Gautam Bali Makeup Studio and Academy, Sector 1, Chani Himmat, Jammu.
Hello everyone, welcome to the news now. I am Anmol Mattu, so let's have a look at the headlines first. Former women's cricket team coach W.V. Raman believes that the team needs a change of captaincy after next year's ODI World Cup. He wants that instead of veteran batsman Mithali Raj, this responsibility should be handed over to opener Smriti Mandhana. The World Cup will be held in the New Zealand in March-April next year. 25-year-old Mandhana has been an important member of the team since her debut in 2013. Currently, 38-year-old veteran batsman Mithali Raj is the captain of India's Test and ODI team, while 32-year-old Harmanpreet Kaur leads the T20 international team. Under Raman's coach, the Indian team reached the finals of the T20 World Cup held last year. In his place, however, this year Ramesh Pawar was appointed as the coach of the team. The TV Ravana fame Arvind Trivedi died of a heart attack late last night, and condolences are pouring in from PM to celebs co-stars. Sharing a picture with Arvind Trivedi, PM Narendra Modi wrote, "We have lost Sri Arvind Trivedi, who was not only an extraordinary actor but also passionate about public service. For generations of India, he will be remembered for his work in the Ramayana TV serial." The Ram fame Arun Govil wrote, paying tribute to his beloved co-star Arvind Trivedi, the cause of Rama Avatar, spiritually a very noble, religious, simple-natured person. And my worldly human society has lost dear friend Arvind Trivedi ji today. Undoubtedly, they will go straight to the supreme abode and will find the company of Lord Sri Ram. Amid speculations about National Conference, Provincial President Jammu Devendra Singh Rana likely to be a part way with the Abdullahs. Rana said that he is still a part of the party. He said, "I was here for condolences and it is always a pleasure to meet with Farooq and Umar Sahib." Rana said that he would share the media about his future plans, but as of now, "I am still part of National Congress."
It was a pleasure to meet Doc Saab and Umar Saab. That's all.
तो आपके एनसी छोड़ने के हवाले से कोई बात हुई राणा साहब? कोई बात हुई उस हवाले से?
You're all friends. If there's anything, I'll let you know. But right now, we had come for a condolence. We've done the condolence. And
You are still part of national conference, sir?
as I talk to you, yes,
Sir,
ताज़ियत की और हमेशा ये फारूक साहब और उमर साहब के साथ मिलना जो है वो एक अच्छा होता है, वही हुआ.
अपनी पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट अल्ताफ बुखारी visits the residence of ML Bindru. Altaf Bukhari says the party condemns the cowardly, despicable act of terror. We are deeply shocked and hang our heads in shame.
बदकिस्मती की बात है, ये कश्मीरी पंडित की नहीं, ये कश्मीरी की डेथ हुई है. यह हम सब के लिए शर्म की बात है. इस आदमी ने किन हालात में हमारी खिदमत की, यह हमारे लिए शर्म की बात है. खुदारा जो लोग ये कर रहे हैं वो समझ जाएं, इससे कुछ हासिल नहीं होने वाला है. हम अपनी आंखों में खुद गिर रहे हैं.
The Jammu and Kashmir police have recovered 8 grenades and a pistol at Hajira village near LOC in Karna last night. A senior police official confirmed that the recovery and subsequent detention of 2 suspects in Haridal Karna area of Kupwara, saying that further investigations into the matter are underway. A Pakistani drone was spotted in Pathankot, Punjab. The female squad of BSF soldiers fired upon forcing it to return. As per the reports, the first drone tried to enter from the border of BOP Bohad Wadala and the second time from BOP Bronze Barman. DIG Prabhakar Joshi said that women constables Priyanka and Pushpa of BSF's 89 battalion posted on the border fired 29 at PAK drones. Pertinently, suspicious drones are continuously seen in Jammu and Kashmir as well. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has an argument with the officials at Lucknow airport, after which he has sat on a dharna at the airport itself. According to the information received, Rahul wants to go to Sitapur and Lakhimpur by his car, but the administration is adamant on taking it by his car. Amidst the uproar at the airport, Rahul alleged that these people want to forcefully take him by their car, while I want to go by my car. These people are bullying. Prime Minister Narendra Modi distributed right records to 1.71 lakh beneficiaries under the Swatimva scheme in Madhya Pradesh through video conferencing. After this, PM Modi interacted with the beneficiaries of the ownership scheme. During this, PM Modi said the era has left the country behind them when the poor had to go round to the government for every paisa, every single thing. Now the government itself is coming to the poor and is empowering the poor. He said in the Mudra scheme, people have given an opportunity to start their work without any guarantee of loans from banks. Under this scheme, about 29 crore loans have been given to in the last 6 years. A loan amount of about rupees 15 lakh crore has been given. That's all for today's news bulletin. For more, stay updated with the news now.